Welcome to the BOC World of Welding. What we're going to look at today on one of these advanced machines will be the solid bronze-coated gas-covered MIG wire. Some of the advantages we're looking at for this machine will be reduced spatter, will be increased current carrying capacity, we'll be looking at reduced wearability on our feed roll system, and of course a reduction in fumes. So come back again, it's the new BOC bronze-coated gas-covered solid MIG wire. As I said, the machine we're looking at is the BOC Smootharc 350 remote, and one of the advantages of this is all our controls are on the remote wire feeder. The wire itself, we can have a look at that and we'll see the different finish on it. So again, we've gone from the copper-coated wire to a bronze-coated wire. One of the other advantages is an increase in shelf life in high humidity areas. When we set the machine up, we've got our wire coming through to the 4R feeder, and very simply on the front of the machine are three controls. One will control our voltage for heat input, one which will control the induction, which will reduce and control spatter, particularly when we're running gasless wires, and thirdly, our wire feed speed. So with this basic machine, we can quite capably run the BOC bronze-coated MIG wire. Before we actually do some welding, we're going to take the time to go through the controls on the front of the BOC 350 Advance remote wire feeder and power source. If we look at our wire feeder and come down to the power source for a start, we've got the controls of gas. If we press the button, the gas will come through the solenoid valve. We can check the litres a minute gas coverage we need. Press it again to turn it off. The controls in the bottom corner, 2T and 4T. 2T gives us manual control. Pull the trigger, it welds, let the trigger go, it stops. 4T means it's a trigger lock, so you pull the trigger in, you can actually weld with it. When you finish, hit the trigger again, it will stop. Please ensure you turn the 4T off if it's not in use. Controls beside that are speed, high speed and low speed. High speed, the main advantages of that are twofold. One advantage is when running small diameter wires. The other advantage is when you're running aluminium for the faster feed rate required. Basic on and off control. These two indicators here are our volt and amp digital readers. As we adjust the volts and amps on our wire feeder, these will change accordingly. So we use the volts and amps on our wire feeder to set the controls. Once we do that, we're now ready to run gas-covered BOC bronze-coated solid MIG wire. So what we'll do now is we'll go up, we'll do some welding, but before we do that, please ensure that we have the appropriate safety gear, welding gauntlets, welding jacket, appropriate footwear, appropriate helmet, and if required, safety specs, and be careful of anybody welding. Ear muffs or ear plugs if required. Okay, what we'll do now is we'll go up, set our machine up, and we'll actually do some welding.
Working with gas is as easy as BOC. Come and see us in store or check us out online.